Yes people, welcome to our exclusive unboxing of the Fragment Design X Converse X Moncler Genius All-Star Ox 70. Yes, that is a ridiculous amount of names, but these shoes are absolutely crazy. But before we get into them, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. And while you're at it, check out the solesupplier.co.uk, sign up and turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop. Now these shoes are absolutely crazy. Designed by a man like Hiroshi Fujiwara. If you know who he is, then you're an OG. This guy right here is the founder of Fragment Design, and he helped Moncler, the French alpine ski label, to design these Converse. I know all you Donnies out there, like I'm an Essex boy, a lot of you Donnies enjoy Moncler. It's not a bit of me personally, but these shoes definitely are. Coming with a full rubber toe cap as well as a vulcanized rubber sole. You know you can be bopping about in these all day and comfort levels will still be on point because they're just like a normal classic Converse. But what sets this apart is the small design details. As you can see the Moncler label as well as the Fragment Design, nice little lightning bolts. And then finally we have a nice little added detail. The Chuck Taylor is in the old script, and then we also have dual branding on this logo as well. Absolutely crazy sneaker, and will be releasing Thursday the 3rd of September. They will retail at £110, and as you can see there are two colourways, and this is my favourite colourway personally. Exact mirror opposites as you can see, so where there's black portions on the white one, there's white portions on the black one, other than this bit here, just because, you know, I realised that I was wrong right there. They will retail at around £110, but I don't see there being much resale value in these. Unlike other Fragment designs, these could be an easier cop. So if you do want to cop a pair of these, I will leave a link down in the description as per usual, because I'm a lovely bloke like that. And let me know if you cop a pair, because I think these are bangers. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. These have been the Moncler Genius X Fragment Design X Converse All-Star 70 Ox, the world's longest name for a sneaker. Shout out to the SEO Donnies out there who are going to struggle to get these ranking. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. I've already said that, but we'll see you soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.